worked out pretty good.
What's this? You got those first.
And we got 3 of these.
Wow.
Those are cool.
Got lots of candy.
Hey,
Oh, there you
sweetie.
go, Janice.
Trick or treat.
Sweet.
I think you should give us all something. What'd you get? Is that any Mason?
Yeah.
Oh, I want my
Here, have a Reese's. I have lots of Reese's.
Right.
Let's see. What do you want, Gina?
I'll have a Reese's.
She's it.
We have lots of things.
Woo!
Do you have any of the crunchy ones?
Crunchy Reese's? No, I don't think so.
You bet the
My mom
Danner,
has to
the
get those.
Danster. Lemon here.
Dan.
Charlie.
The dessert.
You bet.
Were you a parent too?
Yeah, but I'm gonna just something. Hi, dog.
Hang on a minute, bud. I like that beer, Dan.
I was gonna be. No one did. Just you and Christy? Where was Christy? You went by yourself?
Just half the way. All the way around the block to all the houses.
Did you get a lot of stuff? Thank you very much.
Like cups, you know. That just, I don't like
That
those.
thing is awesome.
I don't like
No
coconut.
thanks. I hate coconut.
How did Halloween ever start? I mean, dressing up or whatever.
It's a little known fact.
Nice tags.
You like that?
Oh, I figured out
What?
A bunch of rain when I was there last year.
Really? Yep. Daddy.
What?
with the notion of wearing it on Halloween, I bet.
Where?
What's that?
With the notion
You
of
bet.
wearing it on Halloween.
I wanted to be home by Halloween last year, but I wasn't. Didn't make it until
I have these. Roasted
the second week
peanuts.
in November.
What are them?
Honey roasted peanuts.
I made it a week after Halloween. That's gonna do.
I wish I would have had on my dress.
Like those, huh? So when you come back over, then I have to.
Wow!
Tim and I are pirates. Correct.
Oh, phone!
I'll get it.
More!
I answer the phone and go, yo.
Yo! Go! Halloween! I'll buy it. Other ones?
Yeah, they're sticky. Do you want a picture now?
It's kind of red.
I really really like the
You seen Mike Gibbon?
Here.
Mike
We'll
Gibbon?
play that.
Yes, we saw your
Roll up it now.
Saw my 3-beat camera tonight.
It's
Looking for his camera.
by our house.
Dan, you want to get...
Well, it's because you're farther south.
No, you guys are up in the north side of Canada.
10 blocks.
Water.
You guys are in Canada. Oh, look at you. You have one. Yeah. Rebby here, too.
I hope somebody's playing music like this. Here we are.
Dance at shades.
Here we are.
Dr. Giggles.
Everybody get over here so she can take a deep picture, huh?
Kristen, now be careful with that hook. You know how to. You'll have the spot right here, spot good.
Okay.
And here, this is the only button you need.
Okay.
It's gonna be hard to pee, and I'll go stand right here. I'm gonna have to take these off before I pee.
I'm wondering if I can run a funnel in it too.
This man's close in the back,
Impossible.
snaps, and he's got my underwear.
Okay. Let's see how we are.
Bitch for here. What if we should like stand on the step? Maybe
Try
we're
this.
gonna miss
We'll take
it.
another pose.
You guys should go stand.
We'll do the.
Do this first.
Okay.
Each outfit individually then.
Ready? Everybody? Here I go. Is it supposed to flash?
You gotta press it down. You gotta press.
I did.
Keep pushing.
Yep.
Because it'll automatically adjust on that.
Oh, okay.
It's adjusted. Okay, take one with my camera. You can take one more. Or take another one with Karen's.
Okay, see.
Take one more and then. Danielle.
Ready? Here we go.
Buddy,
get hooked?
Cheers!
Yay!
How
Okay,
about
now
fork? Anybody want to get
get
a
the
fork?
fork.
Cheers!
Okay.
Hey, dude!
I got panty on.
He was kind of like he
I know
stuck the
that.
fork up my
Okay,
ass
let's
and I
go.
went like that. Okay.
Daniel.
Dan, get out of the way.
Thank you.
Okay, here we go, everybody. Dance stage.
Do you have all of us on there?
Yep.
Perfect. It's not on, is it?
Oh,
She's got this little poopy in the back. What? You got a little poopy in the back. Yeah, it should work. Flash is on, it's on. Just same thing, you kind of have to hold it down and it adjusts everything. Okay, pose.
No winking. No winking.
Yeah. Who's fell off the chair? He did. Did you see him? He fell off. Yeah. One more.
Oh, one more.
Who's Dr. Giggles? Here, slut. I had Jamie take one of these at home.
Okay. Great. Break up.
Here we go.
Look for some camels.
Take one of
Look
Ken and
for
I.
my camel.
With my camera. Just us.
I can take one of you, right?
Oh, look at that. Isn't that special?
That's kind of scary.
Hey, Ken, where's your parrot that sits on your shoulder?
That's what you need.
Who's up there? Who's up there?
That's what you need. We have no little yellow bird. We can hear trees.
Yeah. Arr.
He was there, but he's gone. Oh, you must have put him somewhere.
Good idea. How about a death grip pose?
Pizza looks gross.
Are you getting ready for action?
Yes. I'm looking for your camel.
My camel? You want to do surgical things with my camel?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
There's your bird,
I don't know how
Ken.
we're gonna get it to stay up.
We gotta
That would be great.
Would you like,
Charlie? Would you like to get forked?
No. Don't fork me.
Safety pin it
Don't fork around with me.
forked with me?
Don't fork around with me.
Don't you want to fork me?
No.
Steelers.
You're my sister. I don't want to.
I don't think so. Did you find your camel yet?
I did not find my camel.
Do you have a pin? Oh, that would look great on his shoulder. I know, but
No way to put it
I
on.
don't know how to put it on. Stick a hole in it.
Super glue.
For giggles. Where'd you get all this junk?
At Blue Bell. See.
Blue bells or blue balls?
Blue Alice.
Yes, you are alive, my child.
Am I good?
Oh, here.
Oops.
Let me try.
We're hooked.
You have
There.
nails.
There we go.
You could just shove it up its butt. Like that.
Shit.
fall.
Tick, 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 tick.
This is the big one. These nails are gonna have to go. Pooza looza.
Oh, and they're taking pictures.
There we go. This is my daughter from the desert. I lost my camel, so now we have to go out and without the camel.
Find the camels.
We have to hitchhike.